Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking another look at the Pixel Watch 2. In the last video I shared 3 of the things I dislike about the device. In this video I'll share 3 things I absolutely love about the Pixel Watch 2. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and now if you're ready, let's get started. The first thing I absolutely love about the Pixel Watch 2 is the fast wireless charging speed. While I'm not happy about the lack of third-party wireless charging options, I can say the second generation Pixel Watch 2 has improved its charging speed. You can plug in the watch using the 4-pin puck and go from 0 to 90% in about an hour. The last 10% seems to take a bit more time. Next up are the Quick Connect bands. I really appreciate the ability to quickly change the bands on this watch. It's always a welcome addition to be able to change out the bands to fit your style and needs. The Quick Connect feature allows you to press the button next to the band and slide the band toward you to remove it. Now let's talk about the third and final thing that I love about this watch. The sleep tracking. The joined forces of Google and Fitbit allows this watch to have some of the best sleep tracking on a wrist-based device. Looking at the sleep tracking, you are given sleep stages, sleep score, and sleep session on the watch, and additional information can be found in the Fitbit app. And there you have it, folks. 3 things I absolutely love about the Pixel Watch 2. What are some of your favorite things about the Pixel Watch 2? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.